This is why you should not sleep on telling your story online. Oh my God. So I was asked to do an interview with the newspaper slash interviewer from Curacao for Alaska. And oh my God, I had such an amazing time. Like the 30 minutes went by like this. And she had so many great questions to ask me, like, why my love for personal branding? Where did that come from? What do I do now? Who do I help? What do I teach? Oh my God, if I had not started my TikTok series about LinkedIn on TikTok and I wasn't posting on LinkedIn about why I love what I do and why personal branding and LinkedIn are important, then she would not have seen it. She would have not asked me for this interview. And maybe later I'll tell you how this has helped me for another opportunity. So please do not sleep on telling your story.